Good morning to you. I'm joking.
Me not do that them there.
So what time is it right now? 12:41. And we're going on the road to get some food. I look tired.
Yo, me crush the car now. How ain't it? Okay.
Shout out to Ziggy ruining my video.
Hey boy, me crush the car now.
We'll get some breakfast.
I pre.
Why pre? Look at your head top.
What is? My stand up.
You're rocking the naturalista hairstyle, natural life.
And the crusty side.
My belly is hurting me, for real though. The amount of smoothies that I had last night, like, it's just killing my stomach right now. Good morning! Gotta be friendly out here, you know? We're at some place getting some food, but our morning routine is we come in and we get some natural fruit juice. Well, I get my natural fruit juice. I don't know about him. He doesn't eat nothing natural.
Everything's still at all.
Still get some food.
Sin. Some dumpling or something in that man. Hold on, I will have fruit them on the pan. This is near you have up and so. I don't see no grape. Oh, see.
So do you peel the grape? Do you peel the grapes?
No. Buy seedless.
Oh, yeah, actually. Seedless.
So are you still gonna run from my video? Are you gonna run from my video today?
Big man say if you run from the video today.
Nah man, now I want to tell you say you can today you fi video. Come out and car. I come video star. Tell you what go on. Yeah. Instagram and Twitter and all these things and Facebook and the whole works. Straight. Alright, watch our style now. Just a regular apple.
Can't see.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now we go come over here so the camera now.
I got you, I can see.
Right?
I don't want that much juice.
After you didn't even know what cantaloupe was, I'm gonna call you out.
Man, some of the see thing already, man. We never know the names and so that means half of it we know the we never know that. We never know his name, you know?
Yeah.
The eye fell out. So this is my one eye bird. Look there. This is how you get your breakfast served in Jamaica, okay?
Yo.
I'm gonna drink the rum yet for a morning. I'm gonna get my 2 big heads.
See. Hold on, she try to put in my birdie eye. Voila.
There we go.
A bird or a duck?
One of them. It's a bird duck. But anyways, we just eat.
I see I eat the bird.
Can we go get food? Bird head.
What?
Huh?
See them more. Curry dumpling.
No
curry dumpling.
Curry dumpling.
Nah, I mean, like what? Curry dumpling.
I don't know what I want. What do you want? He said he wants curry dumpling, but just so you guys
curry
know.
Chicken, me say, and dumpling.
There's no such thing as, actually technically there's curry dumpling, because when you put the curry gravy on the dumpling, it's dumpling. Curry dumpling.
I just say yellow dumpling.
Well, I'll just enjoy my bird first. My headless bird. I might come in your car and get like a new hairstyle. Might as well just cut my hair up in one.
Wait. I'm not gonna die here too.
So we're on our way to the grocery store to get some. Oh, too much shaking, guys. We're getting grocery to cook dinner. Well, he's gonna make dinner.
You're gonna grocery to cook dinner?
We're getting grocery to cook dinner, you know, because we're kind of tired of the restaurant food. You're cooking. I'm not cooking.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll both cook. That's the thing though, no matter if I say I'm cooking, you know, you come and help me. If you say you're cooking, I come and help you.
But you know how this girl.
I do.
You always just come and sit down and like.
Don't lie.
Smile.
I cut up the stuff, you fry. We're not even sure what we want. We're just kind of tired of the restaurant food, so. Can I live? That's what I have to go through. Anyways, this guy can cook. Like, when I say he can cook, I don't know why he doesn't want to cook. You can cook. You should be cooking all the time.
Why?
Because you can cook.
So what you can do?
I'll eat. You cook. I was kind of feeling for nachos. You don't want nachos.
Yeah, see Ackee tree there. See, gonna like Ackee, man. Yo, my boss, the extra Ackee that the pine tree, you can get some.
Boy, what does it look at 2 but we find?
Eh?
Doesn't man look at 2 but we find?
Oh, God almighty.
Oh, God, man.
You don't allow me to look like Ackee. You're no star.
Yeah, no star.
I don't see a word.
This guy is looking for some Ackee. So Ackee's like what, the national Jamaican, not even a fruit, what is it? It's known to be Jamaica's national like dish, Ackee and saltfish.
It's the best.
It's the best.
Best of the best of the best.
Best of the best. If you haven't had Ackee, but you know a lot of people don't like Ackee, they said it's too soft. I love Ackee.
No, it's not to all your cookie.
So you can cook it, leave it kind of crunchy?
Yeah. What do you mean crunch?
I don't know. So then if it's not soft, how else can you get it?
Ackee cook 3 ways. And you have to see beef cook.
You can get...
Or not see. You have a well done.
Yeah.
How well?
Medium well.
Medium. Alright, that's what Ackee can cook. Well done, and then you can cook halfway. Medium.
Okay.
So if you want it soft, you get it soft. If you want it half, you get it.
I never made Ackee before though. I'm pretty sure it's not hard.
You never made Ackee before?
I never have. That doesn't mean I'm gonna make it, so
Yep.
don't. That does not mean I'm gonna make it. So we're just cruising on
So
this
the next
street.
Ackee the more you get, yeah, the evening.
You're gonna teach me. I'm a low-key chef though, so I just, you know, even if I don't know how to make it, I'll try. So something light. That's something I want to know how to make though. So this morning his mom made some kalaloo, sauteed up with saltfish in it, and it was like mixed veggie, and we got some boiled dumpling, and then we drank some ginger and lemon tea. And soda, some soda on the side. We didn't have no fruit juice today. Maybe when we go back. But yeah. So the ship comes in every Wednesday. Which one's that one? It's like a Disney ship, and the other one's Independence
Sea.
of the Seas.
Yeah, on at Disney.
One's Disney and the other one's Independence. Ships are huge. Like when you go close to them, they're huge. I've never been on one, but one day.
Hey, give thanks for life. Give thanks for life. Oh, chimney, chimney. Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I may not care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights. So you can say what you want to and do what you want to. It's no concern to me. Because I have my own vision, me dip on my own mission to rule my destiny. Oh, it's my day to do anything I want to. It's my time, and I'll use it any way I want to. It's my life, and I'm responsible for every action. It's all mine, my day, my time, my life. I beg you, easy now, give me some reason now, and don't invade my space. I'm in a different place, different phase, moving on my way. So if you feel like a champion, then nothing can go wrong. This one is your song. Hey, put away your troubles, put away your
Preview of the Yacht Life, vlog life,
Yeah?
starring us,
Also,
me and you.
listen, thumbs up if you want more video on anything or what.
And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. You already know how the thing goes. Juicy.
my day, my time, my life out there.